Hey, hello everyone. Here is another app to create beautiful stories for your Instagram or for WhatsApp statuses, Facebook stories, Twitter feeds. A lot of ways. Okay, we can use it. So there are many free templates available, as well as many premium templates are available. But we will select the free one. I'm selecting the puzzle template. The last one, the blue one, looks cool. I will select it. We can upload our own image from the gallery in the placeholder of image. Yes, I'm selecting my image, and yeah, that's it. And then we can change the text. Let's add a short code saying begin, and at the bottom you can see all the font settings. You can change color, font size, style, everything. Okay, try it, and you can also add a small code below, and don't stop until you are there, right? So that's it. You can increase the size of the font, and below there is a button to download. So download the story. It will come to your album, that is gallery, and let's see how it looks in the gallery. Yep, it looks beautiful, right? Now let's open Instagram. Click on the plus icon above, create a story, upload this photograph from the gallery. Let's add a couple of stickers. First one is hashtag Tuesday motivation. Yesterday is Tuesday. Let's add my location, India. We will put India, and swipe right to add a filter. If you want it, you can add it. Otherwise, you can skip this step, right? So that's it. The story is ready to be shared. Yeah, send to my story. Done. And you can check out the story. It's looking beautiful.